Welcome back to the channel, folks. Today's video, Yitahome storage box, pure and easy. It has wheels on the bottom, perfect for another Yitahome piece of furniture. This is my outdoor set on my front deck, beautifully done. I will link this outdoor couch in the description box right below the video, as with the storage box. Now, as you can see here, we do have snow. This is Colorado. It's 26 degrees outside currently, and it snowed all over my outdoor couch. Held up great, but I did take a leaf blower and blew off the snow. And when I do see the weather report saying that it will snow or rain, I'm going to be taking these cushions off, placing them in the storage box, and that's going to fit right here temporarily right now, but probably I'm going to get another set for the back deck and we'll put them in there as well. So a great option for your outdoor couch and sofa. By the way, this one comes with a glass table. I just have a little wreath on the top of it right here. Solid products and definitely beautiful to look at. So if this thing can hold up after, I think it was like 5 degrees last night, snow, we're looking absolutely fantastic. So let's get this out of the box. This will actually match with this wicker chair really nicely. And so again, the outdoor couch and the storage box will be in the description box right below the video. Click on that top link. You guys can read more about it. Pick one up yourself after the video is done. Let's begin. Comes very nicely packed as well. So you get all your pieces, instruction manual, hardware. This is a material, not that kind of cheap of a stuff. This is like full-on material. So we'll get to that. Looks like it has even some Velcro to it. So, and those are your shocks. So super easy to put it together. I'd say that probably the worst part is my hands being cold because it's 25 degrees outside, but follow the directions, super simple, just like IKEA furniture, and we'll be in shape in no time. Everything is labeled. I got number E going to number D. Now I do want to point out the orientation here. As you can see here, the mounts are facing up right here, as we can see right here. And then you're going to have this liner right here. Make sure that liner is up all the way around the edges here so that the orientation is upright, as well with this right here and the side right here. All right, now the wheels are two different sets. The ones without the brakes go on the back side where your mounts are right here. So determine where that is, and then again, this is going to be the back side of it. Your wheels without brakes go right here. The wheels with brakes go on the front side, which if you're facing this orientation are going to go down at the bottom on both sides here. Ones without brakes, top right there and there. Use your provided 14 mil wrench, and what's nice about these little small wrenches, these will come in handy for other jobs as well. And you get it right on the bolt, obviously, and give it a nice little tighten down right there. Alrighty, folks, almost complete. It is becoming a very beautiful evening outside. Lastly, we do need to put in our inside liner right on the inside, and of course that goes up against the edges all the way around here. This is what it looks like on the interior portion here. You got some steel or aluminum braces down here at the bottom, as well with up on the sides, each side here, as well as here and here. Your shock, you only have one shock. I thought you had two, but you only have one shock. And then the top of it here with a nice waterproof material on the top here. So as that goes down, that is going to keep it nice and waterproof, especially with the interior portion here. And then the easiest thing to do here is this edge right here has a slight little lift to it here. So go ahead and pop that up and give it a go. The only thing I do need to do is the back bolt here. This one was really nice and strong. This one didn't seem to be threaded properly, this little cap right here. So I'm going to have to get a different washer. Go ahead and tighten that down later on down the road here. That's the only con that I've found so far. Wish they would have included one extra just in case. For some reason, again, it's not threading properly, even with hand tightening it first. So let's go ahead and put the interior liner in here. And just a heads up, there is a thin liner on your Velcro strip on this side. Pull that up before you, if you did what I did in the very beginning and didn't do that, simply take a knife or scissors and cut away that little liner, because what it's going to do, it's going to be trapped in right here. Because as I was Velcroing the liner into the interior portion, it just wasn't sticking very good. And I was like, well, it's sticking, but it's just not sticking as well as it should. Reason why is, once again, you have this small layer protecting the Velcro that needs to be removed first. Then that gives this portion of the Velcro on the interior bag portion beautiful Velcro to stick on. So make sure you do that, or you're not going to get a very good seal like I was getting until I realized there's a thin piece that needs to be pulled up. So once again, do that all the way around so the Velcro stays, the thin piece goes. A much better seal around the edges here. Absolutely stunning. So as we can see here, here is our zipper. This pulls around, and I think you have to kind of hold it two hands there, and zips all the way around. And these edges, yeah, you just kind of have to pinch the corner a little bit there. Go underneath your shock and all the way to the edge there. That puts a nice cover over that, not to mention the cover over this. And bada bing, bada boom, there you go right there. Very nice wicker as well. Not a precise match to my corner wicker chair here, but this is a very nice look to it here. Again, that dark brown finish with kind of a navy blue type of an interior to it here. Very sharp looking as well. And then when you're ready to go ahead and unzip it here. Come to your corners and let's go ahead and show you here. So just come around your corner, stop right there. It will flap downward as we can see right here, giving you a nice large storage bin for all of my couch cushions. That is absolutely fantastic. Okay folks, it is now daytime and a little bit better light outside here, so let's take a look at our beautiful storage box here. We have, of course, the liner we've already seen, but if you want to see it in a little bit better light, zippered all the way around. Very nice as well with that shock. I like that. Great quality build. We're looking good. Now let's go ahead and start loading it up. Now they do offer a larger one. This is the smaller one out of the two. So if you need, I'm gonna get a little bit of snow in there, but it's okay. No harm, no foul. If you need something for a big time outdoor couch, sectional, whatever it may be, then you might need to go for their bigger model. Again, I'll have it linked in the description box below, as with this outdoor couch. And so these fold up, which is nice. Let's go ahead and get these going here. Okay, so if you are wondering, that's what that looks like. Bear without the couch cushions. And we have them all in here. So we'll go ahead and zip this up here. And before we do zip that up, this is a great size unit for all these couch cushions as well. I do have a little bit more room over here if you had another throw pillow or something like that. Again, if you need the locks on the wheels, go ahead and lock those up so it doesn't move. It's all zipped up, ready to go, flap shut, and we are good to go. Well, guys, thank you so much for watching. Once again, in the description box right below the video is going to be this exact same storage box where you guys can pick one up, read more about it, even pick up the larger one yourself. And I'll also have linked the couch as well. If you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button on your way out, helps the channel and the YouTube algorithm. Also subscribe if you like videos like this, DIY home builds, van life builds, tech reviews, and more. Once again, your links are below. We'll see you on the next video. Take care for now. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.